This isn't just a dirt bike, it's a bold revolution on two wheels. Introducing the 2025 Stark VARG EX, the world's most advanced electric enduro and motocross machine. Silent. Introducing the 2025 Stark VARG EX, the world's most advanced electric enduro and motocross machine. Silent. Powerful. Road legal. Let's dive into the future. With up to 80 horsepower, 938 newton meters of torque at the rear wheel, and a lightweight 118 kilograms build, the VARG EX doesn't just match gas bikes, it demolishes them. Thanks to its carbon fiber sleeved motor and patent-pending inverter, this beast delivers instant torque and the industry's best power-to-weight ratio. You can adjust the power between 10 and 80 HP, personalizing every ride. The 6.5 kilowatt-hour battery gives you up to 6 hours of trail riding or a full MX heat. Recharge in under 2 hours with a 240V outlet. The battery design features a flying V magnesium honeycomb case, optimized for cooling, weight, and center of gravity. That means better agility and longer life, all while staying IP69K waterproof. Built on the world's lightest chromoly steel MX frame, the VARG EX features 310mm KYB suspension travel, front and rear, with fully adjustable damping. Brembo brakes handle the stopping power, and the revolutionary skid plate absorbs jump impacts, protecting both the motor and your ankles. Say goodbye to radiators and exhausts. The VARG EX is sculpted for ergonomics, wrapped in minimal, muscular bodywork with a 24K gold logo inlaid on the carbon tank cover. Choose left hand or foot braking, adjust the suspension to your weight, and even customize ride modes right from your handlebar. The 2025 Stark VARG EX isn't just the future of dirt riding, it's the new standard. Clean, quiet, brutally capable. Road legal. No oil. No noise. No compromise. Available now for pre-order. Deliveries start March 2025. Are you ready to ride electric?